welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about comparing and ordering numbers. Again, as always, we start with a question we're going to try to answer. The question is this: how do I compare and order numbers? Okay, well, let's look at the word compare for a second. Magic dot, where are you? There you are. Compare. Okay. Well, we compare lots of things. For example, I can compare an apple and an orange. Okay? We can see that the orange is slightly bigger than the apple. The same thing with numbers. Some numbers are bigger than others, and we compare them to find out which one is bigger or smaller than the other one. So let's take a look at that. Here are some numbers. Let's bring up here so you can see them. Okay, so over here we have 254,125. Over here we have 354,125. And over here we have 254,225. Okay? So I'm going to compare these numbers, and I want to find out, okay, basically, which one is the greatest, okay? The easiest way to do that is to break out your old place value chart. I happen to have one right here. Let's start comparing just two of the numbers. Pull this one out for a second. You go down there. And we'll focus on these two numbers here. Okay? So, let's write the first number and the second number using our place value chart. Magic dot. There you are. So, there's the ones. There's 5 ones. This one is 2 tens. I have 1 in the hundreds place. Okay, now I have a little comma there. I have a 4 in the thousands. I have 4,000 here. I have 5 in the 10,000s place. 10,000s, I have 5 of them, so it's 50,000. And I have 3 in the 100,000s place. Okay, that takes care of him. He's done. This guy down here, well, we'll start over here at 5. Same. So far it's a tie. Now I'll go to the tens. 2, it's got 2 tens, it's got 20. 1, 125. The 4 is in the 1,000s. He has 4 1,000s, or he has 4,000. 5 10,000s, or he has 50,000. Right there. Now this last one's in the 100,000s position. 100,000 place value. So it's a 2, put them right here, and it's 200,000. Now, to compare them and see which one's bigger or smaller, all I got to do is start lining them up. Well, here I have a tie, so nobody wins. Here I have a tie, nobody wins. Here I have a tie, nobody wins. So far they're the same. This place value, the 1,000s, both got a 4 in both spots, so it's still a tie. 10,000s, 5 in each one, so it's still a tie. Well, look what happens over here. In the 100,000s position, look, I have 3 and a 2. So I have 3 100,000s. That means this number is bigger. Okay. And this number is smaller. Okay. Now, if we want to look back up here, okay, we can also rewrite this and say, I'm going to clear my board for a second. Okay, move him down. We can rewrite this to say here Magic dot. You are. $354,125 is actually greater than 254,125. I always remember it this way. The mouth is right here, like a shark's mouth or an alligator mouth. Little teeth in there, like this. And the bigger number always goes inside the mouth. Okay? Now, that's all fine and good. Let's take a look at how that might look in an actual word problem. So I've got one right here for us. Okay. The Grand Canyon National Park in Arizona had 65,028 visitors in 2010 and 65,225 visitors in 2011. Okay? In which year did the park have more visitors? Okay. Well, what am I being asked to find? Magic dot. Okay. I'm being asked to find which year did the park have more visitors. Was it 2010 or was it 2011? Okay. So why don't we start by collecting some of our data. 2010. How many visitors in 2010? Well, it says we had 65,000.
Danger, Will Robinson. Danger, danger, danger.
Okay. So we'll write that over here. Okay. Now, let's look at the year 2011. Where's the time go? Seems like only yesterday. Okay, so now, how many visitors? Uh-oh. I made a mistake. Can you catch it? You see where I messed up? I'll give you a hint. It's when I was pulling my information from the problem down here, start looking at it. 3, 2, 1, where's my mistake? Okay, if you said in the year 2010 it was not 65,225, you are correct. Okay, that is not. Okay, actually it was, this goes with 2010, so it's actually 65,000. So be very careful when you are looking at your information and you're pulling those numbers from your word problem. Okay? One little mistake like that could change everything. Now, so now in 2011, it was this. In 2010, it was that. So it's 65,225. Okay. Now, we could pull our place value chart up again to compare those two numbers to see which one had more visitors. We want to know which one had more visitors. Which year? Was it 2010 or 2011? But I think if we just look at these numbers and compare the plate and line them up, we're going to see which one it is. Okay, so why don't we do that? Why don't I just kind of compare them? So let's look at the ones in both of these. Okay. So far, it's this one. Because 8 is more than 5. Let's go over again. 2. Okay. So far, it's this one. 28 is more than 25. Over here, that's a 0. Now it's this one. Because 225 is more than 28. Over here, in the 1,000s place, you got 5 and 5. Both 5,000. This one's 5,028. This one's 5,225. This one's more. And these two, the 6 and the 10,000 spot, are the same. Okay? Or you can go from left to right. Go this way. 6 and 6, that's a tie. Cross them off. That's a tie. 5 in the 1,000s place, 5 in the 1,000s place, tie. Cross them off. Okay, 0 in the 100s place here, 2 in the 100s place here. This guy wins. Okay, it doesn't matter what those are because there's a 2 here and there's a 0 there. There's 200 here and there's no hundreds over there. Okay, 225 is more than 28. This guy had more. So in 2011, the park had more visitors. 2011. Park had more visitors. So we did really two things here. One, we compared the numbers and we ordered them. We ordered them because we're saying that this number here in 2011, okay, is more than this number here for 2010. 65,225 is more than 65,028. Okay? And folks, that will wrap up another episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hey, 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 hey.